Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the project we're making today. It's this little box that holds some tea lights. Let me show you. So it opens up like this and you've got the sentiment that says for you, and it just opens up like that with some little tea lights, and then we just close it back up and then we can just put our ribbon back on like that. So let me show you, as I said, how we did it. I have a piece of Misty Moonlight cardstock here, and this measures 8 inches by 6 1/4 inches. Now on the 8-inch side we're going to do some scoring first, and we're going to score at 1 1/2 inches, 3 1/4 inches, 4 3/4 inches, 6 1/2 inches, and that's it for that side. Then we're going to turn it onto the 6 1/4 side, and we're going to score at, here we're going to score at 1 1/2 inches on either side, so 1 1/2 and then 1 1/2 like that, and that's all the scoring we're going to do. So get rid of the scoreboard. Now we're just going to fold on all of our score lines, so get my bone folder so we can fold and burnish everything nicely. Let's see, this is actually the second time I'm trying to film this project. First time I made pig's breakfast out of it, so hoping this time we don't do the same thing. Okay, so there we've folded on all our score lines. Now we're going to do some cutting, and we're going to cut up to the score line, up here to the score line here, and we're going to do the same along all 4 tabs, along here and along the other side. So let's go on and do that. Okay, so we've cut up to the score lines, as you can see. Now on these, you'll see these 2 tabs are larger, so 1, 2 and 3 we're just going to mitre these corners, and I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm just going to cut out a little bit like that, and just an angle again like that, and you're going to do that again for 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So let's get on and do that. Okay, so we've cut all of our score lines up to the score line, released all our tabs. Now we're just going to put tear and tape on the tabs like this. So just going to put a little bit on each tab, and again you're going to do it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So okay, so we've put tear and tape on all of our tabs. So now we're just going to give it a bit of a burnish, because tear and tape is double-sided tape, so it's pressure adhesive, so this will make it stick better and mean you can get the backings off more easily. Now we're just going to build our box, so we can take the tear and tape off the tab, and we're going to bring it to meet this little tab here like that. Do the same on the other side, bring it up to make your wall like that. And now I always do the bottom one again, and like that, and then like that, and then decide whether you want which one you want to be your top and your bottom. So I think this will be the top, so take these off here and bring it in again like that. And bring this in like that, and just give everything a good press, and then that goes over the top like that, and there's your little box. So let's get rid of these strips here. Now we're going to start decorating, and I have some designer series paper here, and this is the Flowers for Every Season paper, and then I have a bigger piece here for one side of the box. So make sure you get your pieces right, because not all the sides are the same. So this one's going to go on the top here. So let's put some some Tombow, I think, on the back. And all the measurements will be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that are in the description box below. So we're just making sure we have it on the right place. We don't want to put it on the base. So there's on the top, because we're going to open our box like that, so that's fine. Okay, and then we have a piece here for the front. And so let's put this on here as well. And I love this paper, the flowers for every season. It's just so darn cute. So put that there, and then I've got little pieces here just to go on the side as well. So let's put this piece here, and then one more here. Yeah. Okay, so that's all we've got so far. I just had to go and search for the last little piece that was hiding from me for the back here, so then it all looks really nice and pretty. Just here on the back. Lovely. So now we're all covered. So now we can tie it up with some ribbon. The ribbon I'm going to use is the lovely Misty Moonlight ribbon, and it's a cotton ribbon, and it's ever so soft and gorgeous. So we are going to attempt to tie a bow. Okay, I fiddled with it, and that was the best we're going to get, so we'll take it. Set it aside for now. I have here some scrap Whisper White, and we're going to do a little bit of stamping, and the stamp set I'm going to use is this one saying Itty Bitty Greetings, and it has every sentiment you could ever wished for. And I'm going to use this one here that says For You. So I'm going to stamp it, as I said, in Misty Moonlight. So stamp this nicely somewhere. There we go. That will do. Close up our ink pad. Okay, and then this is the classic label punch. I'm just going to put it in here, and I'm going to put it towards the one side, just like that. Okay, get rid of that, and I'm going to actually just take another piece here out of scrap Misty Moonlight, punch that again. Now this, I'm going to use my trick with the post-it note, so I'm just going to put this over the For You. And then I'm going to send this back into the punch. And punch it again. And the post-it note just gives me a bit of a handle. And then I have it punched smaller. A little bit of Tombow on the back here. I'm just going to put this somewhere in the centre there, like that. And then a bit of Tombow again on the back there. Bring our box back in, make sure we have the front facing the front. And then I'm just going to put this somewhere like that. And then I've got here some of our in colour enamel dots, and last time I used the Just Jade. This time I think I'm going to use the Cinnamon Cider, just for something different. And I'm just going to put one on either side like that. And there we have it. Those are our little candle boxes. So what do you think? I think they're rather dinky, If you did enjoy the project, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply list, links to my online shop, etc., all the information will be on the blog post, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes the links to my Facebook group where I host a monthly virtual online card club, so do come and check us out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!